today. So today's video is all about how we can use simple household items to practice yoga at our own place and time. These are not the normal times with so much stress and negativity all around us. So I challenge you to find just 15 minutes for yourself. First thing in the morning, just tune out all the distractions and tune in within yourself. No matter what your physical capabilities are, you can always use these simple household items to make your asanas easy to practice, and slowly you can build up on into perfections. So we'll just start with some warm-up exercises. Let's start. Let's begin with simple warm-up asanas. First of all, I'll demonstrate you how to sit straight in swastikasana. So try to cross both the legs between your shin bone. Now, if you feel that your trunk is dropping down in this way, your spine is not getting straight, in asana, in yoga it is said that you have always to make your spine straight. So what you can do, you can take any cushion or a pillow and try to sit on the edge of it. I'll just sit on the edge of the cushion in this way. You will find that your spine is getting straight, you are not dropping down, and try to sit in this asanas. Now to begin with simple warm-ups, what you can do, you can start with your neck. Try to bring your right palm onto the left side of your head in this way and try to press it down towards your right side. Keep on breathing. At least 5 breaths, try to hold. You will feel the stretch onto your little side of your neck. After 5 breaths, slowly release it down. Change your palm, try to bring it onto the right side of your head and try to tilt it towards your left side. Keep on inhaling and exhaling at least for 5 breaths. Inhale, exhale is one complete breath. After completing 5 breaths, release your head down. Now after this, you can just stretch out your body. For that, you can stretch both your arms. Try to interlock your fingers. Now focus which pinky finger is down and then slowly rotate both the palms out, stretch it out. Now with exhalations, go down towards your right side. When you stretch your arms, both the arms should be straight, pushing the middle part of your palms towards your right side. Keep on inhaling and exhaling, don't hold your breath. With exhalations, come back to the center and then slowly go down towards your left side. And then slowly come back. Release your hands. Now try to change the interlock. Like my right pinky finger was down, now I'll bring my left pinky finger down. Stretch it out. Again, go down towards your right side. Hold for 5 breaths. Come back to the center. Go back towards your left side. And try to hold for 5 breaths. And then slowly come back. You can stretch out in this way. So now we'll start with Adho Mukha Virasana. For that, try to bring both your knees together in this way. Now what you have to do, you have to come onto your knees. Press your palms onto your calves, on both your calves. You can stretch both the heels out, rolling them down and try to sit between both your heels in this way. Now, in many cases, you won't be able to sit in this asana. So what you can do, you can take a towel and just fold it. You can fold a little smaller and try to bring this part, the rounded part, and try to place it in this way. You can place your metatarsals, your feet on top of it, and then slowly roll them out and then sit between both your heels in this way. Now if you feel that it is, again you are having a pain onto your ankles, you can take a pillow, 2 pillows, you can place them under it. I'll just show you how. I'm having a pillow over here. You can just place it on top of your towel and then try to sit. You will feel more comfortable. Okay. So I'm doing without the prop. You can just sit in Virasana. Now slowly try to press both your palms in front of you and try to walk your both the arms forward, stretching it out. Now you see that your hips are not raising up, you are just stretching your trunk from your pelvis up towards your armpit. Keep on looking front. When you look front, your spine gets straight. Straighten your arms, your elbow should not bend down. Holding in this asana, slowly you can bring your forehead down. So now if you are not able to go this much down, so what you can do, you can take some more props. You can place the pillow in front of you. You can double the pillow also. Now try to press the palm onto the top of the pillow. And then slowly you can slide it forward, stretching your arms, and then slowly bring your forehead down. Now again, if your forehead is not coming down, you can take a cushion and try to press your forehead onto the top of the cushion. And then slowly try to come back. This was Adho Mukha Virasana. Now the next asana is Adho Mukha Svanasana. So what we have to focus onto our sit bones. Basically the bones onto your hips. We have to raise them up towards the ceiling. So I'll just guide you. So pressing both your palms in front of you, you have to spread your fingers out. The thumb should be pointing towards each other, spreading all the fingers out. And then slowly come onto your knees. Now tuck your toe behind and try to lift up your knees up, pushing your trunk back. Now what you have to focus, you have to press your palms and try to pull it up towards your shoulders. Now focusing onto your sit bones, try to keep it rising up towards the ceiling. Now if you are not able to stretch your trunk in this way, what you can do, you can just bend your knees in this way and try to pull your trunk back, bringing your abdomen more closer to your thighs. And then slowly you can try to straighten your knees and stretch it back. This is Adho Mukha Svanasana. Now, some of them they won't be able to do this much. So I'll guide you with simple chair. Whatever the chair you are having, only you have to focus that the chair, the back of the chair, I'm having a yoga chair over here. You can use any household chair, the dining table or a simple chair you can see. But see that the top of the chair should be parallel to your pelvis. It should rise up till here. So I'll start. Or you can use a simple sofa at your home, because generally the sofa back is of this level only. You can use that also. So what we'll do, because the edges are sharp, I'll just take the towel and place it on top of it. Now I'll just try to push my pelvis on the back of the chair, placing my palms onto the edge of the chair, the seat of the chair. And then stretch my legs back as much as they are going back, and then slowly extending your trunk. You will see that my hip bones are raising up, and then I'll try to bring my forehead down. Now in this case maybe your forehead won't be going down, so what you can do, you can place any book or double the book, 2-3 books you can keep, and try to place your forehead on top of it. My head is reaching, so I am not using any book. Place your forehead down and then slowly stretch your arms forward. Adho Mukha Svanasana. So the next asana is Uttanasana. So I'll just demonstrate first how to do Uttanasana, then we can use the props to go for the Uttanasana. So what you have to do, you try to bring both your feet together. You can just spread them out if you are not able to bring them together. But the toes, you can see that the outer edge of your foot should be in one line. Don't try to bring your toes out, they should be in one line. Now, to begin with, stretch your both the arms in front of you. Try to inhale and raise your arms up. Now with exhalations, focus onto your pelvis. Bend your trunk from your pelvis, pushing your hips back, extending your trunk, stretching it out, and then slowly bring both your palms by the side of your feet and drop your head down. So if you are not able to reach this much down, so what you can do, you can take books, like I am taking these books, place them in this way in front of you and keep a distance of at least one arm. Now slowly raise your arms up, extending your trunk, stretching it out. You can place both your palms onto the top of the books. See that your wrists are parallel to your shoulders and making your spine straight. It should not be something like this. Try to make it straight. For that, you can lift up your chin a little higher to make your spine straight. Again, if you are not able to go this much down, you can take some more books. I'm having this block, so I'm just placing it. This is a drawer, chest, and try to place it and hold. Again, if you are not able to reach this much height, so what you can do, you can take any household chair. So for that, just try to place your both the palms on top of the chair and walk your legs back and try to level your trunk, making your spine straight. See that your heels are parallel to your hips and try to look front. And then slowly you can get advanced. Try to stretch it out and then slowly go down and then try to go down. So this is. Now the next asana is Gaumukhasana. So for that, you can sit in a Swastikasana or a Vrajasana. Basically it is the twisting asana, but we can start with this only. Now stretch your arms, raise your right arm up, bend it behind in this way. See that your elbows are raising up towards the ceiling. Now for the second hand, rotate it back and try to bring both your palms and grab your both the fingers behind. I'll just show you from behind. You can just sit in Virasana, stretching it back, press it down, rotate your hands and try to grab them in this way. Good. Now if you are not able to grab both your palms in this way, so what you can do, you can take any stall present at your home or a scarf or a dupatta. So I am having a stall over here, so I'll just fold it in this way and try to hold it in my right hand, the hand which is going upside. So what you have to do, hold it in this way and then slowly rotate your another arm and grab your strap, means your dupatta or your stole, and then slowly try to move them up towards each other. The right palm down and try to walk your left arm up. Now the next one is Setu Bandhanasana. For that, I'll just demonstrate you before without any props, and then later on I'll just show you which props you can use for the Setu Bandhanasana. So for that, what you have to do, you have to lie down onto your back in this way. You can bring your heels more closer to your buttocks. Now if you are able to grab your ankles, try to grab it in this way and then slowly raise your buttocks up, pushing your chest towards your chin and stretch your arms in this way. Now this was without the props. Now what you can do, you can take any stall, like I'm having a stall over here. If you are not able to grab your ankles, you can just place the stall on your top of your ankles and roll your arms back and then slowly try to lift it high, pushing your chest towards your chin. So now if you are not able to raise your abdomen up, your buttocks up in this way, so what you can do simply with these two pillows. So what you have to do, try to place your pillows horizontally onto your mat in this way. And then slowly sit in front of these two pillows. Bend your knees. You can just place your palm onto the bolsters, your pillows, and then simply lie down on top of it in this way. And try to bring your heels back. You will see that your chest is rolled back, the diaphragm are raised up, the abdomen is sinking down, and try to relax down, or you can just stretch your both the legs out. And when you want to come back out of these asanas, just bend your knees, raise your buttocks up, slide your pillows out, and then simply go for the savasana. So these are the simple items present at your home: stole, towel, pillows, cushion, books, chair. So you can use these items, use them as a prop, and you can do the asanas. Hope you all like my video, so please subscribe and ring the notification bell. Thank you.